Welcome to my channel Flights Assistance. 8 hacks to never pay for luggage. No overweight fees plus extra free carry-on. While it's important to note that attempting to avoid paying for luggage through certain methods may not always be ethical or allowed by airlines, there are some tips and tricks that travelers have used. Keep in mind that these strategies may not work in every situation, and it's essential to be aware of airline policies and regulations. Here are 8 potential hacks to consider. Travel with only carry-on. Many airlines allow passengers to bring a small carry-on bag for free. By packing efficiently and limiting your belongings, you may be able to avoid checked baggage fees altogether. Leverage credit card benefits. Some credit cards offer travel benefits, including waived baggage fees or credits for airline expenses. Check your credit card's terms and conditions to see if it provides any perks related to luggage. Fly with airlines that include baggage. Certain airlines include baggage in their ticket prices. When comparing ticket prices, consider the overall cost, factoring in potential baggage fees, to find the best deal. Join loyalty programs. Frequent flyer or loyalty programs may offer perks such as free checked bags, priority boarding, or discounted baggage fees. Joining these programs can be advantageous if you travel with a specific airline regularly. Utilize status match programs. Some airlines offer status match programs where they may match your elite status from another airline. If you have elite status that includes free checked bags with one airline, you might be able to enjoy similar benefits with another through a status match. Book business or first class. Passengers flying in premium cabins often receive complimentary checked baggage allowances. While this is generally a more expensive option, it could be worth considering if the cost difference is less than the price of checking bags separately. Look for special promotions. Airlines occasionally run promotions that include waived baggage fees as part of the deal. Keep an eye on promotions, discounts, or special offers when booking your flights. Pack light and share luggage. If you're traveling with others, consider sharing a checked bag to reduce the overall number of bags. This can help distribute costs and minimize the impact of baggage fees. Remember that airline policies can change, and what works with one airline may not work with another. It's crucial to check the specific rules and regulations of the airline you are flying with and to travel responsibly and ethically. Trying to manipulate the system could result in additional fees or other consequences. Hope you liked this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.